This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the surface. This prevents shorts while you work. Remove any cards and flip it on a soft mat to protect the screen. Once done, gather tools: a Phillips H0, Torx T3, plastic picks, suction cup, and a clean container for screws. Make sure to ground yourself with a wrist strap or frequently touch an unpainted metal surface to discharge static. This protects sensitive components, while you begin prying the display bezel carefully to access internal screws. With the panel open, remove the screws securing the midframe and gently lift the display. Support the glass to avoid stress cracks. Next, locate and unplug the display cable so the screen is free, then identify the battery connector and disconnect it first to remove power from the board. Unscrew the battery bracket and work adhesive tabs slowly. Heat helps soften glue. Once adhesive is loosened, lift the battery straight out, avoiding sharp prying near cells. This prevents punctures and maintains safe handling throughout the middle of the job. Place the replacement battery into the bay, align it and connect the battery cable first so the board receives power safely. Then reconnect the display cable and reseat the screen without trapping cables. Once reassembled but before final adhesive, power on the surface, verify battery recognition, charging behavior, and Wi-Fi. This confirms everything is functioning. If all is good, apply new adhesive or double-sided tape, press the display down firmly. Replace screws and run a 30-minute charge test. If the device fails to boot, reseat connectors and retry. Check for bent pins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.